So there's a little bit of Dulcimer number 872, New Traditions Dulcimer Teardrop with some really cool cherry. I love this back. It's got some great, the kind of the typical cherry dots in it. Back and sides with our standard three-piece laminated headstock for our Dulcimers, Grover Stayed type tuners, Paduk fingerboard overlay, and of course our hand-turned strap pins. These strap pins are cherry as well. They're from the same log. They have a different coloring, but they are from the same piece of wood for sure. But I don't know if you can see these, but there's a bunch of these really cool dots across here and then across here. Just one of the characteristics of cherry. It's a great wood. Number 272. This one's going to Idaho tomorrow for sure. And it's got a little special treat for our customer that's on the label inside. Just a beautiful little dulcimer. Really enjoyed building this one. Number 872, New Traditions Teardrop Dulcimer, Cherry and Port Orford Cedar. I forgot to mention, this is straight grained Port Orford Cedar. Got a very nice soft sound to it. So there you go. Number 872, New Traditions Teardrop. That's it. Lord bless you guys.